If you're looking for a free or budget-conscious way to handle documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, you've probably heard of Microsoft Office and Apache OpenOffice. In this video, we'll compare them side by side, looking at strengths, weaknesses, and who each suite works best for. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which one fits your needs. First, it's important to note, Microsoft Office is a commercial, paid, suite, while OpenOffice is free and open source. Microsoft Office is often used professionally and comes with a full set of tools, but OpenOffice offers a no-cost alternative that covers basic to intermediate needs. OpenOffice gives you a full set of core Office tools, a word processor, for documents, a spreadsheet tool, a presentation tool, and even additional stuff like vector drawing, simple database support, formula editing and more. That means for most everyday tasks, writing reports or essays, creating spreadsheets, building slide decks, OpenOffice can do the job well enough. Because it's free and open source, OpenOffice charges nothing. You can install it on as many devices as you like without licensing fees. That makes it especially appealing for students, small businesses, non-profits, or anyone on a budget. On the other hand, Microsoft Office offers a more polished, feature-rich environment. Its tools tend to have more advanced features, better polishing, and tighter integration, especially if you also work with cloud storage, email, and other Microsoft services. For businesses or heavy users who rely on advanced formatting, macros, complex layouts, or professional workflows, Microsoft Office usually delivers smoother results overall. That said, using a free suite like OpenOffice comes with trade-offs. Because it's maintained by volunteers and an open-source community, development is slower, updates and feature additions are more limited compared with a commercial product. The interface can feel a bit dated compared to modern Office software, and complex documents, with heavy formatting, macros, or advanced elements, may not look identical when opened in OpenOffice. Also, when true collaboration, cloud integration, or advanced support is needed, Microsoft Office's ecosystem has the edge, but only if you're willing to pay for it. For simple tasks, basic documents, or light workloads, OpenOffice remains functional and quite capable. So who is each suited for? If you are a student, home user, small business, or simply want to avoid paying for software, and you mainly deal with basic documents, spreadsheets, and simple presentations, OpenOffice is a very reasonable, cost-free choice. If you're a professional, working on complex documents, collaborating with other Microsoft Office users, or need advanced features and support, Microsoft Office is worth the investment. In short, OpenOffice, free, functional, and good enough for many common tasks. Microsoft Office, more capable, polished, and powerful if you need the extras and don't mind paying. Your choice depends on what you need to do and how complex your documents or collaboration demands are. If this comparison helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech tutorials and software reviews. Tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.